Hey, it's Greg Hawks again. Welcome to another Sourcing in Real Life. And I'm going to show you something else because guess where I'm at? I am back in the virtual conference. And the reason I'm back in the virtual conference is because I've replicated some things that I was doing with Instant Data Scraper with Dataminer. And right now, like Dataminer isn't under a firewall on my work computer, so I can use it when I go into conferences like this. Let me show you kind of what I did because I had to build the recipe in a little bit of a different way than I typically do. But that's why you practice with these tools. You get used to these tools because then you can kind of understand and see how they work on the inside, and you can have some more customization on certain things. So and let's see. So basically, I've built this recipe, and it will pull in very similar to how Instant Data Scraper did it. Is first name, last name, the comment, and I'm actually pulling from the comment section. I forgot to mention that because you can pull in certain URLs and profile sites as well from the person who drops like a LinkedIn profile or something like that. Or sometimes they'll put their in these cases they're putting the job URLs. So if you're a job seeker, that would be an advantage, right? So stuff like that. Or connect with me on LinkedIn. A lot of people are dropping LinkedIn profiles and Twitter profiles and things like that. So, and as you can see, I'm in the chat function of this. So it's a little bit different of a scrape, but you can also see I'm pulling in a lot of LinkedIn profiles here. Okay. So, and what I have like 153, and I just did this in the comment section, and I've only gone back 4 hours. So anybody who's doing this, you could pull this information. Let me go back to Dataminer because I did build it a different way. Let me go in here and show you a little bit, and I'm probably going to have to move this so you guys can see. So basically how I built this was through some of my other videos. I showed how to use the Easy Row Finder. Okay, that's pretty self-explanatory, and if you just mess around with it or watch some of my previous videos, you can kind of see how I do that. It's right here. It's in the secondary links. You can use the URL option to pull the LinkedIn URL, or you can go in here and use HTML to do something similar. So I'm not going to save this, but I just click this, and I'm looking for secondary links like this one right here. So there's a secondary link. Push C, and you have two different options. So when I did this on one of these sections that has 3 different links, you would have 3 options. So I just choose the third one. So I want item 2, and then you confirm, and then you can see the data that you scraped, right? So secondary links. So that like GitHub, Instagram, add a bonus, right? And then you just go. Actually, I'm not gonna save this. I don't want to mess up what I just did. But I'll do another one. Page scrape. Select and scrape. I pull in all the comments for 159 rows now. Okay, next step. I could download it, and I have all this. And then in my previous video, I showed how I took this information, put it into Seekout, and used Seekout to extract more information. So it is a combining type of step-by-step process, and it works because I was able to pull up like 230 something people through one of the projects on Seekout. So. And I tell you what, if I get a couple more subscriptions, I will make this recipe public, okay? Because right now it's not public. So if I can get to 1,000 subscribers in the next, I don't know, in the next couple of days, I'll make this public so that everybody can use it, okay? And all I got to do to make a public recipe is go in here. And oh, I was sharing it publicly. Well, I'll make it completely public if I get a couple subscribers, because I think all I need is like 5. So And yeah, there'll be more videos coming about this. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining me while I ramble on about this stuff. Again, please share and subscribe, get the message out, because the more people that learns this, the more people we can help. And I'm not just talking recruiters and sourcers, I'm talking job seekers too. There's a lot of value with this type of stuff if you're looking for a job as well. So thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.